Today is April 9th, and we're doing more videos of some of our neighborhoods and condos specifically today. During the COVID-19 shelter-in-place guidelines, it's a good opportunity where you don't interact with someone. Go ahead and start cataloging our neighborhoods so we can share them with anybody interested. This video is for Urban Lofts here at 118 Ruth Drive in Athens, Georgia. This is just off of Ruth Drive and MLK, which is behind downtown Athens, on the north side of Athens. These condos are sort of a modern design that were built around 2005 timeframe, basically 2006. They were designed to be really condo, targeted towards single professionals. This was not targeted for your students at the time. So when they were first built, they sold really well, and new concept. Was a very successful project that was handled really well. And over the years, obviously soon after, you saw the market crash of 2008 to 2010. And that's sort of where we saw some things change. The values went down like they did for many areas. And some units went into foreclosure. And units were gobbled up by investors at this time. And that's when we sort of saw some of the dynamics change here at Urban Lofts. We saw some investors get involved. And then it started to shift away from the single professional owner to we do see undergraduate students living in this, either investor owned, but most are probably parent owned at this point. You do still see the single professional owner, just nowhere near as many as we used to when they were first built. Now, you've got varying types of units here. You've got 1-bedroom lofts, 2 bedrooms, and 3 and even up to a 5-bedroom. So what you're looking at there with that garage is probably going to be a 2-bedroom unit that you've got the 2 bedrooms up, living space down, a courtyard in the back. Now, if you turn around, as we turn here, we're going to look at these at the end. If you'll check out 450, 440, those are going to be 1-bedrooms. So you've got your living space downstairs and bedroom upstairs. And as we come more close to this corner, you're going to get to some of the bigger units in the corner, which are 5 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. And apologies for the glare. Try to get out of it as soon as we can. Now, a couple of the bedrooms will actually, because they're loft, keep in mind they will be open air on the top. But on this back side, as we come past the 300 building, you will see some units that have basements, and that's where another bedroom might be. So as we come here to this 200 building, these are 2-bedroom units. And to kind of describe to you what you might see there is, hello, Mr. Mailman. But, okay, so a unit like that would be main level living space. Upstairs, you would have a bedroom that would be open air to the downstairs. And below it, in the basement, you would have another private bedroom and bath, making a 2-bedroom unit. A little bit larger units that you can see over here as we make this one more turn. Straight ahead there, larger units. And we're going to get you one more look at some of these. So before we end, I want to talk a little bit about pricing. Well, as you can imagine, the pricing with varying size of units is going to be all over the place. So when you're looking at a 1-bedroom unit, you should probably be thinking around that just under 200 number. And we're here in April of 2020. When you go to a 2-bedroom unit, you're probably thinking, depending on, does it have a garage? No garage, you're looking at low 200s. With a garage, you're probably looking at a little step up into the 220s, 230s. 3-bedroom, values around 260, 270. And then the large ones are going to get around that 300 number or just over it. So Urban Lofts is a great place. It's close to downtown. You can use it just to come to Athens. It's a lot of graduate students. And really, if it's looking for, you just want a low maintenance condo in Athens, it's a great place to consider. So Urban Lofts, 118 Ruth Street. Look us up if you'd like more information. 5 Market Realty, 5mrealty.com.